In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Square transactions manually in QuickBooks Online. When you get paid through Square, the amount that actually lands in your bank account is usually less than what your customer paid. That's because Square takes out its processing fee before sending you the money. If you want your QuickBooks records to stay accurate, you need to show both the full payment and the fee. I'll walk you through how to do that using a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. First, from your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the New button at the top left of the screen and choose Bank Deposit. This is where you'll tell QuickBooks what money is going into your bank account and how it breaks down. Next, at the very top of the Bank Deposit window, make sure you select the bank account where the Square funds were actually deposited. This should match the real-life bank account that received the money, such as your main checking account. Also, double-check that the date of the deposit in QuickBooks matches the date on your bank statement or Square payout summary. Now scroll down to the section called Add Funds to this deposit. On the first line, in the Received From field, enter the customer's name or choose the appropriate customer from your list. In the Account field, select the income account you normally use for sales, such as sales or service income. Then, in the Amount field, enter the full payment amount your customer paid through Square before any fees were taken out. Next, you'll add the second line to account for the Square processing fee. On the next line, in the description, you can type something like Square fees, or in the Account field, select an expense account that you use for processor fees, such as merchant fees or bank charges. In the Amount field, enter the processing fee as a negative number. This tells QuickBooks that this portion is coming out of the deposit as an expense. Once both lines are entered, look at the deposit total at the bottom of the form. The total should be the customer's full payment minus the Square fee. Compare that number to the actual amount that appeared in your bank account for that Square payout. If they match, you're good to go. If not, double-check the payment and fee amounts. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your Square transaction is now recorded properly in QuickBooks Online.